Hello viewers, welcome to linuxschool.com. Today we are going to see about how to install CM Symbol Xsketch on Linux Mint 18.3. CM Symbol Xsketch is a free and open source content management system. It does not require a database. All data is simply stored in the file system. You can create a website in a few minutes which you can maintain online. Okay, now let us see how to install CM Symbol Xsketch on Linux Mint 18.3. Now here before starting installation, you have to need LAMP setup. That is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 5.6. Okay, now here first of all we have to download the CM Symbol Xsketch package by using wget command. The download is going on. Now we have to extract and rename the downloaded file by using unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for the Xsketch directory. Then we have to move the Xsketch directory into the /var/ww/HTML directory by using move command. Then we have to configure the virtual host for CM Symbol Xsketch. So go to site available location. Here we have to create xsketch.conf file. Now change insert mode. Now here we have to create name list virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the site access. Then after enabling, we have to enter the host file. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache server. Then after restarting our Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Now here we can see home page of CM Symbol Xsketch. Now here the installation is completed. Then if you want login our admin page, click here. Then here we have to give password. The default password is test. Then we have to click login. Then finally here we can see admin page of CM Symbol Xsketch CMS. Thus we have seen how to install CM Symbol Xsketch on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.